What are some of the things that you've seen companies do to build their team and keep their team together, their team building techniques and skills that they do while they're on island, what that means?
Well, I mean, I've seen all sorts of things. Scavenger hunts. I've seen like Olympics. Just kind of like just playing on the beach together. I've seen some groups that will just jump in the pool and just kick back with a case of beer. I've seen others that do Scrabble or like Survivor like activities. I've had a liquor company come down and do mixology competition where they broke up into little teams and put a whole pile of fruit in front of each of them and then made them create a drink and give it a story and a name. And
I ever forget about the golf and the tennis and everything, the kayak and everything else. Maybe a kayak race,
yeah, there's all sorts of activities you can do on the beach. Yeah, there's kayaks, there's paddle boards, there's snorkeling. We've got volleyball, we got basketball, we got cornhole, big old chessboard down there. Buck Island, both tours are really a huge thing. They do the half days or the full days. So, the boats will fill. It's like 40 people. Let's talk about that. So there's a bunch of different charter businesses out here, and then Buck Island, it's a national monument. So usually the boats will take them out to the front side of the island where it's the beautiful beach, and then they'll take them to the back side of the island where there's a coral reef with a kind of a trail with like a monuments underneath and just tons of fish, turtles, and I always love the parrotfish, just a big rainbow. Then one of the tours does a full day where after they're done snorkeling, they take them off to another beach and they do a barbecue. A lot of rum punch, or they do the vodka punch now, I think, with Mute Ming, which is one of the local distributors or local distilleries.
Nice.